Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can navigate the Prime Video website, so let's get right into it. I'll be making this tutorial for the PC website only, however, it is pretty similar to the mobile version and the other TV versions as well. So let's go over the basics. Firstly, what you can do is at the main menu, you can just scroll down and you can find whatever you want from here. You can see over here what you can watch. You have the Amazon Originals, you have the recommended TV, the science fiction movies, comedy movies, and you have all of these sort of genres and subgenres, and you can just click see more, and then you can watch whatever you want from that genre. You can also go over to the top. You can click on movies if you want to only browse movies, and go into TV shows if you only want TV shows. Of course, that's self-explanatory. And you can also browse it through categories. As you can see here, you have 10 of them. You have action adventure, horror, comedy, kids, documentary, mystery and thrillers, drama, romance, fantasy, and science fiction. And those are the currently available genres, at least on the website. You can click on categories and browse through them like this, or you can go and click the looking glass icon and then just type in whatever you're looking for and see if it's available on Amazon Prime Video. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.